Which position?
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about,
What's up, guys? I'm your girl Cavian.
Wagwan, I'm your boy Billy, which is silly.
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to a banger video.
Yeah, guys, welcome. And in our video, we're going to the whisper challenge. You see me? So we're going to use two headphones, a big one and a normal headphone.
This one right here.
Yeah.
And this one right here.
I want you. See me? So I cock up for your ears. There are 5 things. As if you guess what I say. You see me? And then me cock up my ears the next round. And then she'll attack at me if you just guess what she say. So it is called a whisper challenge, guys.
And guys, don't forget to turn that subscribe button gray. Turn the post notification bell on. Like the video, comment and share. Remember, guys, bring us to 1,200 subscribers. Me and Billy, or depending on you guys to take us there, so we can give you more content and more things to laugh about.
Yeah, and some banger video.
So let's jump into
the video.
Yo. So I've been one earphone already.
Yeah.
And I'll put on the next one. Kind of go turn sideways.
Yeah, probably just.
So I'm kind of not going to look at you guys for some seconds. So let's hear it.
Cock up. Just thumbs up already.
Where you come from? Which area you go? Eh? Where you come from? What you say? Last night it is sweet.
What's that?
Which position? Give up.
Yeah, so
what you say?
Me that say the sex. Me say where you come from, where you go. The sex did sweet. I'm never seen one position. So, you get 2 right and 2 wrong.
Alright, so so guys, so we say him do 5 songs, me do 5 songs. Because I don't want the video is too long and drawn out. Ready?
Mark.
You have to turn to me. I love jerkins.
You love chicken?
I love jerkins.
You fly like chicken?
I love jerkins.
What?
I love jerkins.
You love sex?
I love jerkins.
You love chicken?
I love jerkins.
I love layers.
No, wrong.
What you say?
I said I love jerkins.
Oh, jerkin. No, you say I love something, but I get the last part.
So
what I think you should do is I think you should like cough up here.
Put your hand there.
Yeah, it works.
Right.
You could better do that.
I love jerkins.
Jerkins.
Music. It's one of the most hardest challenge me.
Ready? Love shrimp.
You feel chew?
Love shrimp.
You feel chum?
Love shrimp.
You love pussy?
I love shrimp.
You love shrimp?
Shrimp.
You love shrimp?
Shrimp.
You like shrimp?
I love shrimp.
You love swim?
You get it right, you get it right. I love shrimp.
You love shrimp? How will you say?
I love shrimp.
Say
Shrimp.
that, you me say it first.
You love that shrimp?
I love shrimp.
Oh yeah, she get it right, people.
Yeah, I said I love
If
shrimp.
you think she get it right, comment in the comment section low if she gets shrimp right.
The first segment you not get it right.
No,
Me never get it right.
Yeah.
And the second segment me get it right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come and say I love shrimp.
Yeah.
When you play about the video you see. This kind of little bit fun.
Ready?
Yeah. No, you can tell me if I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Looking at my face now.
Eh? Pista?
Wrong.
You don't want a sex tonight?
Yes.
You're sexy. You know you're sexy. You're sexy.
Please.
Hold on. What now? What I get?
I said the place hot.
That's what I talk, sir.
No, the place hot. The place hot.
The place hot. the place hot. So I'm focus on the lips of a while ago, people. Me have go down on the lips of wicked a while ago.
So how much that we got? 3.
3 that way.
Yeah. Hold on.
No, let's look some song. Ready?
You want some pussy? Pipi gonna work? How much? Pipi how much?
Mother, gonna work.
Pipi gonna work? Yeah, you say me.
Mother at how much?
Oh, your mother how much?
Mother at how much?
Oh, so you want me to yeah. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please guys remember, turn that subscribe button gray. We will gladly appreciate it. If you want some more videos from us, yeah, don't forget to turn that notification bell on. I'm watching you guys, me I'm watching you. And remember, when you comment, I want you just watch the video then. Share it to your family, and sister, and a brother, and an auntie, and an uncle, everybody me want to send it to. Come and make kiss up on your mouth.
Come and see in your mouth.
Come and make kiss up on your mouth.
Why?
Come and make kiss up on your mouth.
You want to rape me?
Come and make kiss up on your mouth. Come and make kiss up on your mouth.
Come and go shop.
Come and make kiss up on your mouth.
Oh, come and make kiss up on your mouth.
And me give it.
You want to play for Barca?
So how much that?
Champion League, man, I play for Barca.
So how much that? 1-1 no. You
One,
get one,
one?
yeah. Me get one, you get
How
one.
much are we 4?
Yeah.
So it's our last round.
Yeah. Last one, guys. Let's see who's gonna take this one.
Come plug up your ears.
Let's see who's gonna take this one. No, so we just bring it to 6. So you
Just-
have 1 chance left, me have 1 chance left.
Yeah. Plug up your ears. Intense, I'm an artist. Intense, I'm an artist.
You have to talk up here so the camera can hear.
Intense, I'm an artist.
Eh?
Intense, I'm an artist.
Let's go.
Intense, I'm an artist.
Intense.
Intense, I'm an artist.
Intense.
You think intense?
It is intense.
Intense, I'm an artist.
Intense are your artist.
Yeah. So she gets it right, people. Intense, I'm an artist.
Oh, you say intense are your artist.
Yeah.
Me that say intense. Like, bro, what the hell? Like, what the hell?
So it's like the 5th one.
Yeah, alright, bonus. No, that's your fifth one. This is my fifth one now.
I say,
and then
is that the fifth one?
Yeah. Same one already.
Long time. You have some music with vibes in the people. Listen now.
Can I yard stay in your house?
Talk me to me, I'm not here.
Can I yard stay in your house?
Eh?
Stay in your house. Stay.
You want to go out?
Stay in your house. Can I yard?
Boogie on my nose. Eh?
Can I yard stay in your house?
What again?
Can I yard stay in your house?
Last night the sex did good. Where you say?
Can I yard and stay in your house?
Eh? What are you last time?
Can I yard and stay in your house?
Oh, Tana your yard.
You didn't get it wrong. And
Listen.
and what?
Tana your yard and I go outside.
Wrong. You get it wrong. I can
Where you say?
Tana your yard and stay in your house.
Say, at least me get Tana your yard.
Tana your yard and stay in your house. Final question. The bonus, the bonus, the bonus.
Tana your yard and stay in your house.
Different song. You just have to play your type of song.
You know what I mean? May I focus for you. Alright, so where I sang your name? What I sang your name? What I sang your name?
Brick pam, brick. What you say? You want sex tonight? What me say? Wednesday?
She got over on Wednesday. Where I sang your name?
Wednesday?
Where I sang your name?
Where dear? You say?
Where I sang your name?
Like,
What's the name of the song?
wow,
What's the name of the song?
what's the name of the song?
Yeah, this is she literally have forced me to gear it. They get it wrong. Yeah, one heap of chance. One heap of chance. Get no people. One heap of chance.
Go. The fish. Oh, you know.
This is the last one. You see?
Who names?
Brick.
Who names Skelly Bang? What him name? We sing the song.
What him name? What him say?
What him name? We sing the song.
What again?
What him name? We sing the song.
Where? Where?
Mm-hmm.
What again?
What him name? We sing the song.
Where your sister?
No.
What again?
What him name? We sing the song.
What again? Let's do that. Come down. Come on, man.
What him name? We sing the song.
Where you say where your sister?
Wrong.
Yo, me I hear
What
the
him
way.
name? We sing the song.
Where him name we sing this song. Me know so me I catch it.
Billy say.
So
What?
people are one was a good one.
So guys, there you have it. There you
It's
have
like-
it. That is the final.
Yeah, it's like she that talk some different language. Me I try to catch it with me and with.
It
we
was
are singing.
it was
We
fun
are
though. It was
singing.
really fun. Don't
Yeah.
forget, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and follow us on our social medias. So mine are Cavian Levy Facebook, Instagram Determinelevy, couple channel Clive.Cavian forever.
Clive.Cavian forever.
Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to support me on Lulu Holistic Skincare. Link again in the description box.
Yeah. So big up on yourself.
Say up Japan your Instagram.
You see me? It was Clive Junior. You say it already, Clive.
No, I'm gonna say it.
Clive_Jenna.
Yeah.
So
Clive underscore Jenna.
Junior_Jenna. Junior_Jenna.
Junior
Facebook
underscore
is-
Jenna for Instagram.
And Facebook of Junior Bell. Yes.
Junior Bell. our social. And guys, this is how we were. We second video. And we're gonna leave them in the description box. So you can just click on the link and bring it over there. We're gonna try to upload more frequently on our personal page and the couple page, and you know, put more activity out there so you can able to see what we are going. Yeah. And remember guys, as me say in each video, stay home and keep safe. Turn on the yard. If you don't have no reason for go on the road, stay on the yard because the virus is hell of a crazy. And yeah. So rest in peace to everybody who lost their life, and respect to the front person, them, the nurses, the doctors, the police officers, the soldier, every single person have to put in a life out there to protect us. So big up on yourself, walk good and be safe.
How are we there? Inside.